Hello and welcome. Today we are going to learn how to add a subscription to your Shopify store. Let's get started. First, open your Shopify admin page and click on App. Then select all recommended app and click on Shopify App Store. Search for App Store. Select the application and start installing. Once the application is installed, click on the Next Step button and begin creating a subscription plan. Give your subscription plan a name and select the product you want to offer a subscription for. Next, let's work on the subscription frequency. Choose the order billing type. Name your order frequency. Provide a description. Set the duration. And choose the subscription renewal date. You can also apply a discount. Specify the discount value. And adjust it after a specific number of payment if desired. Once you have completed creating a subscription plan, you can edit it anytime. You can also add more subscription plan if needed. Let's proceed to activate our subscription plan on Shopify by following these 3 steps. Click on the Go to Shopify button. Toggle on subscription applications. Save the changes. Let's do this together. Click on Go to Shopify. Activate the subscription application on your store. And then click Save. Once you have completed these 3 steps, go back to the previous page and click on Start selling. Pick a plan. In this case, let's continue with the free one, which allows you 500 USD per sale. Then click on the link that helps you to adjust the payment system. It will directly take you to the payment page where you can adjust the payment provider, supported payment methods, and more. That's for today. Thank you for watching.